What?
The GOAT, the greatest of all time. The GOAT, the greatest of all time.
Flocking with my day one switched on me. Ain't that you gotta watch who you flocking with?
Oh snap! I can't get copyrighted. My fault. Alright then. Happy Thanksgiving. You get what I'm saying? We're about to play this game. This quiz. Can you name the NBA All-Star Game MVPs? I hope it ain't no spelling thing because I can't spell. Don't roast me. I gotta get 66 of these things. It's probably gonna be like 30 of them. I can name all of them. Spelling's gonna be jacked up. Don't roast me. Blame my English teachers. All right. I blame my language arts teacher. All right. Well, let's get this thing going. You know what I'm saying? And you can't skip the junks. So I'm starting at New Orleans, okay? That's Anthony Davis. Swear to gosh. Okay, Russell Westbrook. Oh, it was too old. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Look, it wasn't my fault. See, it was red. Yeah, that's all it goes. Irving. Chris Paul. State Farm is there. Look at yourself. Kevin Durant. I don't remember Kevin Durant winning one. Well, okay. I'm take your word for it. Kobe. Oh, I'm pretty sure I typed in Kobe. You get what I'm saying? Golly, that's how you spell Kobe. Are you slow? Oh, Miami. I didn't realize this. Oh my gosh, y'all about to roast my reading. Oh, I only had to put LeBron for that jump. Wait, LeBron did win the Heat one. I swear I'm not slow. Oh, it was the... No, it wasn't. Oh, you slow. Whoever... Oh, heck no. No, it wasn't. Okay, I know Moses Malone is one of these. If he's not, you're freaking high. Allen Iverson. Yeah, better be there. Gosh. Oh, Tim Duncan and Shaq shared one. So, I don't know how to spell Shaq. Tim Duncan right there. Unless that was David Robinson, which it wasn't. They shared one? David. What? Hold up. Oh, KG, bro. KG on some real stuff. On some real stuff. I know I spelled Kevin Garnett. Michael Jordan. Like, for real. Is it weird to y'all are like the simple endorsement? What the hell do you... Oh, okay. Like the simple endorsements that you could have, like, Tim Duncan could be like Dunkin' Donuts, you get what I'm saying? Carmelo could be like Mellow Yellow, like, I could own these teams. I mean, own these players, cause I just thought of that in my head. I'm gonna stop talking now. Alright, Julius Irving. Oh my god. Only 18. Jeez. How did I not spell that right? Screw that then. You told me I got it wrong. Let me get Dr. J in. Oh, that's Chris Webber. That's not Chris Webber? Jason Williams wasn't an All-Star that year. He wasn't an All-Star at all. Larry Bird. I spelled Larry. Ooh, I'm a duck. That's a L. Put L in the comment section. George Gervin didn't win a. Did he? No, he didn't. Let's just see. If I just spelled it wrong. Gervin didn't win one. Oh, what? Big bad. What a shame. Money on my mind. What a shame. He thinks he's goofy. 80. Magic never won one? He was throwing crazy passes with LA. Oh, you're right. LA got like 0. My God. That's Magic. Unless I put the... What? I'm right, dude. You wrong. You stupid. Kevin McHale? What? Ooh. Sorry, Kevin. What? This is rigged. Put L in the comment section. Walt Frazier for the Knicks? On some real stuff? It gotta be it. Oh, okay, now. Did Isaiah Thomas win one? I can't type, I don't know how to spell Akeem. That's gonna be an issue. Who played for, is it some Holiday played for the Denver Nuggets? I forgot. Willis Reed, is Willis Reed on here? Big Mac, I'm saying, money on my mind. Dominique never won one because Michael Jordan was always in. Who won one for the Chicago besides Michael Jordan? Scottie Pippen did not win one. I know this man did not win. He did. Oh, I'm the stupid one. My fault. I took a huge L. Damn L in the comment section. Dwayne Wade. I don't remember that. So Tim Duncan did win one. When I guess Kobe, it kept Shaq right here. That's weird. So when I typed 10, it should have kept Shaq in there. It's weird. Alright, y'all, but happy Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you thought. You thought it's crazy. You thought that I'm probably in the first grade or something like that. But see y'all in the next video. You get what I'm saying? Bye.
Oh yeah, she can't take a loss, so she leaving with me. Who? DDG. Yeah. She a flirt. Okay.